Hey guys, it's your guy Paul, and here with me I have the famous Nissan Hardbody headlight. I have the two of them. I think nimeshika vibaya, acha nishike vile inafaa. Hii ni ya right hand side ama left hand side. This is left hand side. Hii taa tunakupeana, this is original, actually this is not aftermarket, it is original. Hii taa tunakupeana 15k moja. Ukichukua zote mbili pia tuna discount yenye tunakupea. Nissan Hardbody headlight, this is original, not aftermarket. It is not LED. This is the same as the one that came with your car. It has this reflector on the side. So the plastic material used, it's one of the best. So if you're interested with this headlight, brand new, haijatumika, Kidre reach out. Our number is on bio. We do deliveries countrywide.